But as I told you earlier, that it is a continuous process. It is not that it is pending for years together.
State BJP Vice President and Tura MDC Bernard N. Marak expressed unhappiness against the Chief Minister for not pursuing the tax settlement agreement signed between the government and the now disbanded ANVC. He said that despite several requests, the government is yet to take it up. He also accused the government of backstabbing them in the recently concluded Lok Sabha polls, where the BJP had lent all support to the NPP but were blamed for their loss.
They always backstab us. Before the election, in 2018 election also, we have a written agreement with the CM. And after the election, they never cared, like he never considered that agreement as official. Then after that, last election also he abstained in the Lok Sabha. They told us to support, we supported. And for the failure of their candidate, they're blaming the BJP. So we do not